How's it going? We meet again, huh?
Yeah. I'll have to get a spare key. Thought you sounded familiar when I talked to you.
Yeah. I looked at the address. I said, that can't be him.
Yeah, again.
That's you. All right. Let me see. Remember what we did. Can I pull it? Might not be able to pull it. Yeah, man, you can order you got the fob or you have the actual, you probably can order your unit.
The actual key goes in the ignition.
Oh, you got a key that goes in the ignition? That's how you crank with the key. I don't know if, I know you can get a fob off of Amazon. I don't know if they sell a universal. You're probably gonna have to get the key cut. But if you get one, I could probably program it for you for like $125. I'ma see. Just unlock the door. Yeah, you get it. Well, that's the case. You could get the physical key to unlock the door. Huh? You could just get the key to unlock the door.
I don't know where would it get one of them at?
Go to Walmart.
Walmart?
Walmart got a key, they got that key thing in there. You could just get them to cut a key. And
it's got that like line in it.
I'm gonna look at it whenever we open the door. Let me look at it and see.
Get one of them or buy one of them.
Don't keep it in your truck.
Grab the handle and pull the handle.
Yeah, either that or sometime I can grab the little prong on the side right there.
The whole damn thing is set.
Yeah, they can cut that. Walmart can cut that.
Yeah?
Yeah.